Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a clean state. Restart your phone and close all background apps. Once done, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to reset radios. Make sure to free at least 10% to 20% of storage by deleting or offloading large files and clearing app caches, because low storage causes heavy swapping. Then check for and apply system and essential app updates. Updates often include performance fixes. These first actions remove common software friction and prepare for deeper tuning. You now run diagnostics and reduce resource drains. Open battery and CPU tools to spot apps using excessive cycles or wake locks. Once identified, restrict background activity or uninstall them. Use Storage Manager to move media to cloud or SD, and disable autosync for non-essential apps to reduce I/O. If the device feels hot, thermal throttling can slow CPU, remove the case, stop heavy apps, and let it cool. Make sure to retest responsiveness after each change, so you can isolate. You finish with advanced remedies and a single troubleshooting tip. If performance stays poor, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep software corruption. Then reinstall apps selectively to avoid reintroducing heavy processes. Consider firmware or modem updates, and if you're comfortable, try a lightweight launcher or approved custom ROM to reduce UI overhead. If lag remains, boot to safe mode to confirm third-party app issues. And if the problem persists, back up and consult authorized service. Hardware faults may be the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.